Hello everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solutions. In today's video, we are going to explore network address reconnaissance tool called Netdiscover. Netdiscover can also be used to inspect your network ARP traffics or find network addresses using auto scan mode, which will scan for common local networks. Let's install Netdiscover using sudo apt install Netdiscover. Our Netdiscover successfully installed in our Kali Linux. Firstly, we change our user to root user, type sudo su, and then type Netdiscover and hit enter. Our network scanning tool has started. And we will get the IPs which are connected to our local network. We can check for more option by using man discover and use the option according to our need. Remember, it's crucial to always obtain proper authorization before scanning any network. Unauthorized scanning can have serious legal consequences. Be responsible and ethical in your actions. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this tutorial on Netdiscover helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more hacking tutorials. Stay safe, stay secure.